It's your boy Stinky Farface. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put some decals on the side of a car. Step 1, get a car. Step 2, you're going to pick out a design that you like. For this, I put some like mud splashes. Step 3, you're going to wash your car. Perfect. The next step, and I lost count, is you're going to cut the vinyl, the different stickers. So this right here is 2 different stickers, and they're very close together right here. So I'm going to be getting some scissors and cutting it around right here. And then I need to figure out, is that the front or the back of the car? I have no idea, so I need to go look at the pictures. Alright, so I figured out that this is going to go above the driver's side rear wheel. So like right along the side of the truck bed. Alright, when you do vinyl, kind of like when we did the bike, the back of it's going to be paper and the front of it's going to be like a transfer film. So you want to peel off only the back paper part, and then I would highly recommend like soak it with soapy water, so that way when you put it on the side of the car, you can move it around a little bit to get it where you want it. You also want to spray down some soap and water on the place that you're going to be putting it on as well. So like soap on there and on the back of the sticker. Also, the most important tool in this entire thing is having one of these. It's like a super durable type of credit card thingy. And then I put it inside like a little like cushion thing, so that way whenever like you're pushing bubbles out like that, it doesn't damage it. Alright, once you got a placement where you feel is pretty good, you're going to take this little credit card thing and just try to push out air and bubbles. And the moment of truth is when you start to peel it, whoosh, and then you see it on the car. It's not perfect, but it's off to a good start. After a couple hours of frustration, it should look like this. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But I did it, and something doesn't have to be perfect for you to love it.